Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Genie Aladdin Connect with smart home voice control, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Genie Aladdin Connect with smart home voice control, start by ensuring your Genie Aladdin Connect device is properly installed and connected to your garage door. Download the Genie Aladdin Connect app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, connect your Genie Aladdin Connect device to your home Wi-Fi network by following the in-app instructions. Make sure your smart home assistant, like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open your Smart Home Assistance app. For Amazon Alexa, navigate to the Skills and Games section in the app. Search for Genie Aladdin Connect and select it. Tap on the Enable button to link your Genie account with Alexa. You will be prompted to log in to your Genie account. After logging in, follow the authorization steps to grant access. For Google Assistant, go to the Home section in the Google Home app. Tap on Add and then select Set Up Device. Choose Have Something Already Set Up, and search for Genie Aladdin Connect. Select it and log in to your Genie account to link it. Once connected, you can control your garage door using voice commands. For Alexa, try saying Alexa, open my garage door, or Alexa, close my garage door. For Google Assistant, use commands like Hey Google, open my garage door, or Hey Google, close. Test the commands to confirm that everything is working properly. If you encounter any issues, check your Wi-Fi connection and make sure the Genie app is updated. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your garage door through smart home voice control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.